Three, two, one. Hey guys, welcome to Pathways Podcast. This is a special quarantine edition.
मुझे लगा भी कहेगा hi
We have-
guys, this is Friends Forever.
Friends for you.
मुझे भी seriously लगा करेगा ये.
We cannot be
Friends for
I
you.
just managed to get this serious. I just managed to. Oh my god, the only time.
But मैं serious.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Is Louis just sitting like that, or is he hung? Great conversation. Hi guys, welcome to Pathways Podcast. This is the quarantine edition, and today we have this distinguished panel of guests. We have the best Christoph in town. We have the guy who lost by 1 point to Waterhouse. We have a guy who Yuhud his way into the main cast, and then there's Adas. So,
First topic of discussion: virus.
12.
Right,
Yeah, okay.
Virus.
virus. So, is there? Do you think it's a symbolic gesture by God? Like,
Huh.
What?
There is no God. There is no God.
I'm not so happy right now.
No. He thought it'd be like a good joke, but then he lost control.
Nah, man.
Speech as a god comes. There's a camera, it's just a prank, bro. It's just a prank. Sorry, I killed millions of people, but it's just a prank.
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 Yo, imagine. No, I can't say that.
Imagine if it's like a
Coronavirus
stunt by
prank gone wrong.
Filthy prank!
it's a stunt by
That's a
the.
banger. That's a banger. You know, on
That's
YouTube,
right.
if you put COVID-19, like for the education purpose, COVID-19 prank gone wrong in
Well, fine.
all
I
gone
just
wrong.
don't understand why are there two names to it? Like, is a scientific name and normal general jargon.
See, coronavirus is
Because the
simplified
scientific
name.
name most people can't understand.
Abhi, it's
They can't
coronavirus
even pronounce
virus.
the
COVID-19, dude.
Yeah. It's
Yo,
N-COVID
COVID-19
19.
is just a short form, so they understand. It's a short form
sure.
for it.
Right.
And it's like
There are so many conspiracies
From the
surrounding
CEO,
coronavirus. You know that?
Virus, VI,
Yeah.
disease,
Oh, yeah.
19
Because
because it was
Wuhan
in
actually has a
2019.
biological weapons lab.
Yeah, it's a biological center, so where they
Yeah.
test all the biological weapons. So
And
Yeah,
to be
it's
honest,
come to light.
WHO gave it a very scientific name. It's very difficult to understand that.
and there Modi is, with his general
Recent
hazards.
allegations have come out that the testing kits sent by China to the sector
Yeah, he's protecting himself.
are faulty.
Sorry, Das. Oh, they're faulty.
Yeah, they're faulty.
Abhi, you know why? You know why I think it's man-made? I think it's made by China. Because the moment
Yeah.
like virus came out, stocks were dumped, and China bought.
Bought all of them. China bought all this
China bought all of them for a quarter of the price.
Exactly. And dude, they control the stock market right now. China, if you look at the stock market right now, China's the only one actually going positive. Only
yeah,
one.
yeah.
let's make this conversation actually interesting for people to watch.
Chinese companies are
Yeah,
actually
I'm
getting
bored
the
sitting
highest
right
returns
Das,
right now.
shut up.
Das, ruko. And let's talk about something a little more personal to our school.
Grade 12 getting diploma for.
For free. Grade 10 and 12 getting their diploma, passing.
I don't know why
Grade 10 and 12 getting their diplomas for free, and grade 12 getting a 4-month summer vacation.
Dude, Jesus Christ, it's insane. No, not even 4 months. See, for some colleges,
Because they have nothing to do. They finish their IAs and extended essays, everything in the
Exactly.
last month.
term starts
Now they're
in
just
September. College term, first term.
Yo,
And
what
like-
if it starts in
No,
August?
some of them start in August also. Like if you go to college in
Abhi-
India, they start in
Haan.
August. So let's just count it as 4 months. 4 to
Exactly.
5 months.
And all
It's
of
like
us
half a year of their life. They can do anything they want.
dude, freshers week and all that proper studies start December.
Yeah.
Wait, तो थोड़ा लंबा सोच लिया.
We're not counting that. We're counting when they actually go to college, when they attend.
No, because
I don't care if they sleep in college.
if the
No.
coronavirus
But you know
what's
situation
fun?
doesn't die down, college could be extended even more, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I
that's
doubt
what I'm saying.
that.
What if
Oh,
the
point.
Yeah, and like what if
Because-
you're applying for Feb intake, Jan intake? Then so what are you doing?
Fine. You know what's most likely in India for our scenario? The most likely case right now would be that the case continues for some time. It goes on, and then by May, either the coronavirus itself dies down or all the cases will be swept under the carpet to show that India is free of it. Because this happened a lot of times and most of it will happen again.
Yeah, that is possible, but after all the initiatives India has taken, I don't think so. They'll have to, shove the cases under a carpet. It will die down because India has a really bad summer as well.
India,
like
in terms of
50
morals, is still better than
die down.
Oh yeah, for sure. Moral
to shove under the carpet when a nation like America has more than 80,000 cases already.
Exactly.
So, yeah,
they aren't even on lockdown.
China has reported like they only had 4,000 deaths because of corona. But when you actually check statistics, Chinese bury their people.
They shot the Chinese way.
The Chinese.
Is that the Korean way you're talking about?
North Korean, Chinese, same noodle, different sauce.
I got Das!
That's you copying me. You're copying me. That's mine. That's what I say.
No, I made it.
The thing is, there was no point doing a lockdown in the first place because India है ठीक है India में कोई lockdown रहता नहीं.
Exactly. I swear to God. Hence, we come to Das point martial law.
Martial law, yes.
He told everyone to come on the balcony. People got balls and were celebrating on the street. Together they were having a party.
They were having parades.
Yeah,
In fight Corona, you will come together and.
अबे अयोध्या में मेला नहीं होने वाला था.
Wait, but do genuinely, Yogi Adityanath, like the day after the lockdown, Yogi Adityanath, along with his teammates, colleagues,
Teammates, man.
they went down to.
Oh my God, man! You know how controversial everything we're saying actually is. Like for a person who is like a democratic, liberal, and like open-minded person, this is like hell.
No, but this is honestly BJP got the luckiest break in the world because
Shit!
got so lucky.
Nobody is looking at the economy right now.
No, economy was bust. Economy was bust beforehand. After virus, they'll be like, oh no, it was virus's fault.
Yeah,
everything that happened will be
exactly.
Demonetization, GST, economy is going down. Virus, it's all the virus's fault. It was coming back up. It was.
You can call India Greece right now.
You can call the whole world Greece right now.
Yeah,
but and the thing is, people won't remember. They'll be like, oh, Jamia JNU क्या था ये सब? People will forget.
Yeah.
I mean, dude, इन्होंने coronavirus in the guise of coronavirus, Shaheen Bagh has been shut down.
Why?
It's shut down.
No, but that was a valid measure, I think.
Everything with it.
Shaheen Bagh being shut down was an appropriate measure at the time. Like,
how many people crowded in
too many people over there. And the conditions over there were bad. Were really bad.
But this is the luckiest they could get.
Yeah, I know. They got.
Yeah, they were really lucky with this.
They were so lucky.
Because there was no sign of Shaheen Bagh going down.
People think because the lockdown, the proactive actions taken by the government, people think that they're doing a really good job. So their rating approvals is
but
really...
if you look at it from a health and safety standard also, that what the government has done in Shaheen Bagh right now was needed. Was certainly needed.
Fair enough. But
the conditions over there were very bad and unhygienic.
The way they went about it wasn't exactly ethical now.
Oh, by the way, we're getting boring again. Let's talk about something.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I was trying to go for. We're getting boring. So let's move to what are you guys doing in lockdown? Can anybody but Das start us off?
I'm just getting fat.
Look, guys. If you're talking on
no one cares, and if you get fat, no one will know.
Exactly.
No. I think we're missing the main point. We all know what we do in a lockdown. In a room with unlimited internet with us.
We watch Dragon Ball Z. What is this talking about?
Netflix.
Dragon Ball Z. I don't know what you guys are talking about, fam.
I know.
We were also talking about Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z. We watch things on Netflix.
I love watching anime.
Netflix.
There are some types of anime are my favorite
to
watch right now. What type of anime do you watch in such a time?
I've picked up Japanese, Senpai, Nani. Damedeo.
I see you're trying to call your family members to engage.
Onicha.
Onicha, yeah, Onicha.
Varsha will come up to you and be like, Onicha.
Oh God, Louis.
Honestly, I've never watched an anime.
Adit,
I feel
we're not talking about anime.
Adit must have watched Minions anime.
Shut up.
The shittiest joke I ever heard.
Shut up! Don't say shit about Minions. I'm sorry.
Adit will get triggered if you talk about Minions, okay? Don't talk about Minions in the bad light in front of Adit, okay? Adit will start doing you're running out of time.
No.
You're running out of luck.
Don't make it weak, you're running out of time.
Wait, you know what AB said to me? We were in an
Say no names, do you beep?
Yeah, you know what he said to me?
What did Beep say to you?
We had the first week of
This is
online
for us.
classes. First week of online classes before the
Yeah.
full lockdown was announced.
Yeah.
I get a message from AB during the Zoom class saying, "Aaj abhi tea shop se."
T-shop. I
He-
knew it.
He's like, "We're gonna die anyway. Tea shop को gruff है सुना देते हैं."
भाई गलत नहीं बोला ना. Genuinely, it would have been so much fun.
कहते we'll put music on the roof. We'll make it gruff fest. You know, we're gonna
At
die
the
anyway.
roof.
Let's go out to the roof.
And that's just Bhatta talking.
अच्छा, wait. हाँ तो. What are you doing, Modi? What are you doing during the lockdown?
Yo, I've been streaming Dragon Ball Z, fam. Rep. Like,
I
that's...
regret asking.
Yo,
Doing
that's
what
all
about
I'm like, come on, man, I'm speaking. It's so rude, man.
People got bored of Dragon Ball Z.
Yeah.
And we bought gold.
Exactly. It's so old, man.
Yo, I
I mean,
never
I-
watch cartoons, man. I never used to watch.
Well, let's be honest.
I used to watch.
Let's be honest. We actually. Let's
You
be honest.
never
we
watched
actually
cartoons. I
have
still watch Power Rangers. Come
Huh?
on.
That's
The cartoon-
that's
No,
what's up.
Doraemon.
bro.
Wait, which one? The dinosaur one.
SPD. Oh,
SPD.
Dino
Power Rangers SPD.
Power Rangers.
SPD.
Dino Force. Pink Ranger. Blue Ranger.
Red Ranger
They
was
had the
the
gold and they used to click it and show the
African American.
They
Everybody
got very
wanted-
creative. They got gold, silver, whatnot.
Wait, wasn't there a
Dino
silver
one-
one? Was the silver
With
one?
your
Power Rangers have come to India
And there's
also.
some-
Made his
Samurai
own
also,
homemade
they
Power
got-
Ranger.
Right, fine. I think
बेचारी का सबका पावर रेंजर का सूट नहीं खरीद सकता, खुद बना लिया उसने फोन में.
Adit, your laugh, man.
I swear to God. If anyone's gonna actually watch this video, it's gonna be because of Adit's laugh.
Wait, you know, we
Because the
keep
whole
saying we don't
fountain
have
is
enough
because of
time.
my Yoo-hoo. They shut up.
That's
Wait, is anyone
completely
getting
true.
like a short mid like a midlife something crisis? Like you think
Oh, yeah,
this
I have-
is finally getting
I
over?
have no purpose
You're
in
like,
life.
fuck, there's so much
Uday has been going through
that I haven't
midlife
done
crisis
yet.
for his whole life.
Yeah?
You know, like I'm getting this crisis. I'm like, I'm thinking, shit, मैंने कुछ करा नहीं sports wise. I want to at least like win something big.
तूने कुछ किया नहीं sports में? Are you stupid? Dude, you were fastest boy.
No, he's
No,
not.
that's cool. That's cool. Nah, I want something like state or national or something like that. Like something big.
Oh, that way.
Yeah, that's
I-
not
bro,
happening till.
ISSO is national for
That's
us.
not happening.
Yo, I'm gonna
That's
put
not
my-
happening
Yes,
till-
no,
Why is it
like
national?
national
No, but like-
level competitions. I don't care.
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
even like skills. Like there's some skills that you wanted to learn. Like you refused
Yeah,
to learn
no
when you were young.
national,
But now
state
you feel like
level,
learning them.
no tournaments will be happening now till December.
I feel that too.
November.
I feel that.
I want to do like
Dunking.
e-commerce.
They won't happen. The
Like, I
government
want-
won't let people out.
Nah,
One
they
at a time. Okay, fine.
But like Das, you get what I mean, right? Like there were skills you wanted to learn which you'd never bothered.
Yeah.
But now you want to.
Okay, fine.
Like guitar. I want to
I-
learn guitar.
I honestly miss school so
I want
much.
to learn Swedish right now.
Me too, man. I'm so bored at home. I miss coming to school, laughing at Das, hating Das.
slapping the
I really miss school.
Surrounding Das.
irritating the ass.
Yeah,
Hitting
throwing
the
Das off the stairs,
Yeah.
hiding Das'
wow.
stuff.
Yeah.
pulling
Yeah, I
the
miss that. Let's just remove Das from the meeting. That will, give
Das is
a
dead.
sense of
Das is dead.
living at school.
Alright, so in other news, yesterday we hosted a PUBG competition. That was fun.
Oh yeah, how did that go?
Yeah,
It was success. It was
that
success,
was fun.
man.
That was actually fun.
Yo, did you make money?
It was
many people
interesting.
were there?
We got people from all across the school and from other schools as well. And it was quite a lot of
Other
fun.
schools as well, yeah.
Was there like some prize money or was it?
The last match was
No
from
prize
people
money.
with other schools. The first match was literally from our school only. All grades.
First, and in every lobby we got like 90 something kids, 80 something kids.
God,
A lot of fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
that's a big number.
Maybe we could do something. Oh no, we can't do that for the school.
And if there's one thing we actually realized, is that Dhruv Kapoor is a shitty PUBG
Yeah,
player.
we should
Beep
make
is
Yo,
a
this is a
Beep is a
weekly thing. This is
Beep is a BP PUBG player.
Arey, how
Beep,
will
beep
the
is a
names
beep
are
of-
right now? How do we know we're talking about someone?
Yeah.
We'll beep the names later. Don't worry.
Honestly, let's see the whole podcast after it's recorded, and then we
Yeah.
can like, alright, we can remove this, remove that. Let's
Yeah.
just keep talking
Yeah.
for now.
So, what do you think? Actually, how is it? Do you think when do you think school will open? When do you think it will open?
School
Next
is
semester.
It'll open in August now only. I really think it'll open in August now.
Late
Because it
June
will
or
take at
August,
least
like
3
August.
months for the coronavirus to die
Yeah,
down,
don't say that.
and then 2 months or something.
Don't say that. Please don't say that.
Like haven't you like
Directly.
No, because
No, seriously.
coronavirus is less lethal in hotter climates, so that's a plus for us.
and they're also saying the lockdown might last for like
But
3
now
months.
the weather has
Exactly.
Maybe Louis, that's most
Not even
probably gonna
that
happen.
hot.
No,
Yeah,
because
lockdown
you
will most likely last
compare it
3
to
months.
China, it took 3 months for them, 3 to 4 months for them to lock down Wuhan city, so that everything's gone from there.
Dude, Adit,
That
the
too on very
weather
extreme
is different.
measures. India
The
is
weather is
completely different.
Fair enough.
It is completely. So it took them 5 months. So I'm incorporating the weather change and calling it 3 months. Because in India we've got a population of 1.5 billion, and out of that, 5 million only know what to do in situations like this. 1 billion people don't know what to do. You open the news right now, there is like thousands of people leaving on foot, leaving Delhi on foot to go to other states. So
Yeah, I know.
This is boring again.
So exactly, that's why
Yeah.
it'll be at least 3 more months.
But I really want school to open soon, man. Honestly.
Last, we've
Me too.
unleashed you, like we've let your chains go. Start.
Just go.
Don't be
Wow.
weird. Just.
Okay. Yep. So, question about this thing: what kind of hobby are you guys trying to pick up during?
I think
Now, I'm learning how to
I
sing.
started.
That's my hobby Netflix.
I've picked up I've picked up the
Party fruit?
ukulele.
Oh,
I
seriously?
learned how to play the ukulele. Yeah.
And no, I'm waiting for Suit season 9. Then I'll watch it again.
I thought Suits was dead.
No.
Swear, dude.
No. You don't say that in front of us.
You don't go there, bro.
Yeah, you don't say that in front of
We don't go there, bro. We don't go there.
Bro, you don't go there, bro. Aditya's like he's above double digits for the number of times he's watched Suits or something.
No,
My bad.
that's too much.
Wait, I heard Prince
Okay,
Charles got
practices में याद है
coronavirus.
मुझे.
Yeah.
That's too much.
Prince
Prince
Charles
Charles.
has coronavirus, man.
Yeah.
Imagine he dies before his mother.
Boris
What
Johnson
is
got
thinking?
coronavirus.
Boris Johnson.
And my man
Dude,
was denying
UK
Corona and they were not putting like the lockdown and all. And
Yeah.
Big-
UK is dead, man. UK is gone.
No,
Okay,
there
you know,
was
it's
a
fine. Like the most funniest thing was Iran's health minister getting coronavirus and he's giving speeches everywhere. That was the funniest.
bro. That's Iran's
No,
Iran.
no.
That's Iran,
That was
man.
so
Can't do anything.
That's Iran.
They have like
funny.
US
He's
sanctions on
giving
them. They literally
speeches
have
to
no
thousands of people and he's got corona.
Uday, we don't
Who
want
has
to see your bed, fam. Uday, what are you doing, man?
Yeah.
Abhi, Iran at the
I
same
can
There's
time.
see
a
a
like-
glass
theory that's come
bottle
out from
right
UK
by.
that
Someone guess
the
what's that?
Interior Minister in the UK said that they didn't impose a lockdown as soon as the state cases started to happen due to the fact that they realized there's a lot of old people in the UK and old people usually die due to COVID-19. So they thought that their economic cost would go down due to all these old people dying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
Arey,
mean,
UK started a case study like only old people die of coronavirus and young people don't. So let's do immune therapy or group immunity or what? They shoved a lot of 20, 30 year old
Herd immunity.
and they shoved like 20 people and most of them got corona after that or something happened to them.
No, but is it true? Like
They're
once
like
you
so
get coronavirus and once you recover from it, you never get it.
People are telling each other to be.
Well, yeah, it's like the
Then they're
hardcore
shoving
version
people
of the
together and
vaccine.
It's
See, this is the same for any. It's for any viral dust because our body develops memory cells. So after you get it once, your immunity just
because
gets.
there were some
boosted.
cases of relapses.
And we're getting boring again. Sorry.
People were saying, medical professionals are saying that coronavirus is not such a big deal in countries like India or South Africa because we already have so many
Exactly.
diseases.
In India, we have so many people we can afford to let go of some of them.
Yeah, we can afford to lose some.
If Corona came into India, it would just see the number of diseases like, yaar, like it'll be like the competition is too high.
Of competition.
No.
It's like no.
I mean, they
matter-
know the market is oversaturated.
What?
But then, if you think about it, if Corona was as bad as China in India, the population would have been halved because most people won't know what to do.
Yeah, and plus there's
If it was as bad as in China in India.
By the way, there's a new virus in China that's not a new
Hanta.
virus. The new case of
Hanta
Hanta.
virus.
Hanta virus.
Antivirus.
China
It's
never
like
disappoints, man. It never
left, right, and
disappoints.
center, man.
By the way, China has banned the eating of wild animals.
They've
But
banned
what counts
it.
as a wild
Banned.
और बोला
What
किसने?
counts
as
Chinese
banned?
government ने. Will anyone follow it in China? No.
Why are we all so boring, man?
I swear to God.
Das.
Das.
हाँ.
Entertain us.
Entertain you.
No, I don't want Das's entertainment, man.
यार देख जो मैं entertainment करूँगा फिर racist हो जाएगा.
Yeah, exactly. We can't have Das.
बहुत racist हो
We'll
जाएगा.
beep it out. We'll beep it out.
No,
Don't
but
worry.
Can't
it
have
doesn't
that.
make sense if we beep it out. We can't because everything he will say will be racist.
Okay, guys, I have a question. No question.
यार political jokes मारते हैं बहुत.
Abhi, I have a
Louis, what's
question. I
up?
have a question.
Yeah, Louis, bol.
Okay.
Okay, think about this for a minute, okay? Let's say, for some odd reason, okay, virus doesn't stop, okay? It continues throughout.
Yeah.
Anarchy hits the country. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, हुआ इधर उधर हो रहा है. What's the first thing you do? What's your plan? Modi, let's start with you.
I go to Ayodhya
Okay.
because better probability of survival, or I take shelter where there is a lot of sick people. Sick.
Huh?
Sick.
Oh, you mean... Acha.
Okay.
Acha.
That's you.
And that didn't
Me,
make sense,
my thing
actually.
is most probably I'd either go to the mountains because I have connections there and I can get proper.
So what are these
defenses
connections?
over there.
Wait. What connect?
Connections.
What do you know?
Most of the connections are never true.
हाँ
अबे यामू चाय वाले को जानता है पहाड़ पे.
नहीं
Das has connection
मतलब
to polar bears.
Das.
I can't hear you.
Be honest. Do you have any other friends except the four of us and Prithvi?
That's horrible.
Six
That's a horrible thing to say.
Aman.
Honest.
Aman,
Aman.
then I have people from my old school and then people I met in the place.
No, but it's
Yeah.
Anna.
All I hear is I've got people here, I've got people there, I know people here, I never hear any names or I never meet any of those people.
Why are
friends, yeah,
you
all of
flexing
you
on
are
us,
very
yaar?
The social
Why
life.
are you flexing on
might be
us?
your dog and your bedroom, like your living room and your bedroom, and people you talk shit to on CS:GO. Like that's your social life.
So wait, you guys are wait, listen. I know it
Yeah.
might be hard for you to know if you believe, but Das has more girls in his DMs than all of us combined, and I can tell you that for a fact.
I swear.
I can't. No.
Yes.
It's a fact. I can bet whatever you want.
That's not
Whatever
possible.
you want on it, he has more girls than all of us combined.
I refuse to believe that.
That's not possible.
Wait. No, it is possible if
I know
Das
one
has
girl in-
been off as a girl for a while.
That was Jenny, right?
Oh, oops. Das is being exposed. bro.
बोल रहा है जो भी बोल रहा है मुझे
It
कुछ
was
नहीं
deep, right?
होता. Yeah, beep, yeah.
Beep.
Beep.
No, it is possible if
She's not
Das
from Pathway. She's going to watch this.
Yeah.
Doesn't
Yeah,
matter. Maybe she Googles it. Das.
आधे से ज्यादा स्कूल को पता
I mean, he is
है.
that famous.
Maybe she's still in love
He
with.
knows who you are.
Wait, Uday, you're an army guy, right? What would you do once like
Oh,
the
bro.
whole anarchy thing goes?
Oh. Okay.
Tell me. I'm interested.
First things first, I would go straight to the. Well,
Okay.
I would be safe. That's the thing. No one's gonna enter that place. If anarchy goes on, that place is gonna be locked up like a. I don't want to say
Like
something, but
LOC.
like a vault. Let's say a vault.
So it's basically Fallout 5.
Yeah. And dude, I'm gonna start shooting some fools. I'm gonna take a gun and tar, finish.
Nobody would
Wait,
care
Adit-
about human rights. Then.
Aziz, what about you?
Bro,
I
anarchy.
don't know. I'll probably
I know what
turn
you're
on
talking.
Netflix and he goes.
go to
Dudes.
नहीं,
can
and if
watch
anyone would
Syria
come
in
close to
Punjab
Aditya,
because
he'll
my
start
mother
laughing.
has
So
lost
वो बंदा मर जाएगा.
and they'll probably think I'll be safe there. So yeah.
Sonic weapon. मर गया.
Now, let me tell you. Look, guys. Let me tell you a
पीछे से 3-4 लोग मशाटी के साथ आ रहे हैं. उड़ के चले गए ऐसे. उड़ के गए सब लोग मर गए. फिर इंडियन आर्मी ने आदित्य का हेलीकॉप्टर पे ऐसे लटकाया कहा आप ओवरऑल करो. तो जैसे नीचे लोग आए एयर स्ट्राइक बूम कौन. बलाल कोट में एयर स्ट्राइक्स कैसे होते हैं? पाजी को फ्लाइट पे ऐसे रखा हुआ था. Give me your thing now. चिल्लाया उसने. कैंप उड़ गया लक्ष्य तैयबा का. वो भी गिरी क्या आवाज आई उड़ गए.
Okay. Oh my god.
Okay. Oof.
Wait, guys, 20 years later. Let's think about this 20, 30 years later.
Wait, Louis, you
This
have
will be
too
written
much
in
time,
textbook.
man. How are you thinking about so many things regarding this?
I swear to God.
Man, like,
Holy shit.
Dude, he's sitting at his house for
Boy,
24
this
hours
one
with nothing to do. He's probably thinking about stuff like this only.
yeah, man. Okay, okay. I see
I'll tell you what.
it's coming together for you.
How
Please continue.
often does the batch one have a reunion? 5 years, 10 years, 20 years?
Pathway is batch 1.
Yeah, our batch.
I mean,
You imagine,
my
like,
dad's
10 years
batch
of-
like does one every 5 years. But then they and then they do it every weekend now.
Yeah, come on, censor.
Wait, no, I was saying like in 20, 30 years, this will go down in history, right? Tell me
Yeah.
the worst way to describe this scenario right now. Like, what's the worst way to describe this to your children? That's
The best experience I ever had.
I'd say
The worst way to describe it.
Yeah, the worst way to
worst
describe it.
way to describe.
The worst way to describe it is the best experience I ever had.
Yeah, but this like
The
dark
best experience I ever had staying in bed.
No, but this is Das's everything.
The child looks up to the moms like, is that true?
exactly your point.
No, but this is like Das's
Actually, I don't know.
and like a couple of us everyday life. We just sit in our room whole day, like the whole day, in front of a
But the thing
laptop.
is that we always have the option of meeting our friends.
But I don't
and
know.
it's
going out.
So
Yeah,
I-
this is not my normal life. Like out of 7 days, at least 3-4 days, I'll go somewhere at least if I even want to get bread.
Exactly.
Otherwise,
Somewhere.
all of
And
us
are they-
go out.
I've not left my house's gate for the past 2 weeks.
I left it in the morning today. Maverick, bro.
I haven't been out in my
Oh.
balcony for like 5 days.
Bad
Oh,
boy. Bad
Modi
boy.
the rule breaker.
Rule breaker. Real rule
Rebel,
breaker.
rebel.
IB learner
Rebel.
boy.
But then because everyone's staying indoors, where our AQI used to be 600, it's 60 right now.
Yeah,
60,
60.
Fallen
You go
massively.
outside and you can actually breathe oxygen. Before
I'm
that,
playing
there's this
golf on my
random
roof
shit
now.
coming from
Bro,
cars
you
and
know how
factories.
good the sky is? It's crazy, man. It's blue.
It's blue.
So crazy. Like a
But then if this goes on for another
Kavadi,
Have you noticed everything went downhill the moment Haram died?
Oh,
Don't, that's a touchy topic.
nostalgia, man. Don't. We are such a
Wait, what do you think happened?
The guy
Wait,
who shooting
wait.
Or the kid who was gonna get.
Wait, let's go back to the events that took place in 2020. January, World War III got announced.
Yes.
What happened? What happened in
that
February?
was fun.
Australia happened.
February.
Kobe died.
Australia.
Australia.
happened.
Bushfires,
Wildfires.
Kobe,
Don't talk about
And then
Kobe,
what do you
man.
think will happen next month? What will happen next month?
the Death Star will
aliens.
come.
Death Star will come.
Aliens.
And Hitler gonna revive. Hitler and
Oh,
Stalin.
no,
gonna
that's good
revive.
then. That's good.
Hitler, Stalin reviving,
That's gonna be fun
making
then.
an alliance.
Nuke.
Wait, Modi
Nukes.
actually was already alive.
Oh, he's alive.
Oh. I'm telling you, we're gonna have a nuke. All of us are gonna get nuked.
No, we won't
Kim
get.
Jong-
And we are India. No,
Kim,
US and Pakistan. They.
I think what another bad thing that could happen is Americans would become smarter.
Oh, that's too far off, man. I was on board with the aliens.
Dude.
Americans becoming smarter.
Imagine, just imagine this, okay? When the entire globe's economy is messed up, Greece's economy revives.
Oh, wait, Somalia becomes a like superpower.
Oh shit.
My last
They have
one fell.
political
By
stability in
listening to
Somalia.
No. I think we're gone too far off. Aliens was still.
Okay,
Too
guys.
far.
Guys, coronavirus pickup line.
We may be
Corona
in, we may be in, we may be
Das
in
has come.
quarantine.
Das just came so close to the camera. It looked like he was having a breakdown moment. Like you know those really bad videos where a person just shoves the camera in front of his face and talks like sad, I'm going to die. And
Apology
this
video
has
ऐसे
happened.
होता है वो.
This is
Yeah,
looking
You mean
like
Logan Paul?
Yeah, yeah,
Logan
you
Paul
do
vlogs.
This is just sad. I
Just look
recently
at
went to
Glass
Greece.
right now.
And serious snaps in my judgment.
Okay,
Although you know what,
Bad.
he's right. He's right. Come on. Coronavirus pickup lines.
I have a
Everyone.
good one. I have a good one.
I knew it. You would.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Why did you just quarantine my nuts?
Before Corona takes us, before Corona takes you out, let me take it.
It's not. That's not
I
bad.
have one.
That's sweet.
We may be in quarantine, but will you be my Valentine?
Man, I don't know.
That was
Bad.
That was.
That was bad.
Are you-
Last
that-
one.
that was
How bad it was. Even
Are you COVID-19? Because if
So
I was with you, I'd
bad.
stay for a week in my house.
Huh? What?
But you know what the students in China did for like online classes?
Yeah.
They had like an
Made
app
up.
which was made to give them like homework and classes. And the Chinese students knew that if it gets enough 1-star ratings on App
Oh,
Store,
they deleted it. Yeah.
they have to rate it. So they all gave it 1-star rating.
I know.
4.9 to 1-star. Can you imagine?
App Store deleted it.
Yo, a news channel. So basically, everybody knows Reddit, right?
Yeah.
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 So because people on Reddit are heartless and all, so they posted some pickup lines on coronavirus. So there's this news channel, News 18, which is going all, oh, how bad is this and all. And like, meanwhile in Reddit there are pages of dark humor cracking jokes about stuff. I'm not sure.
Imagine if the aliens release the coronavirus on Earth to check out how resilient and capable the human species is.
हम नहीं हैं.
Yo, they haven't messed with Das yet, okay? When Das comes
अबे आदित्य, हम बात 5 बजे बर्तन मारने जाते थे, लगता है मेरे दिल में बर्तन मार रहे हैं.
Go Corona, go.
Go Corona. वो देखो तुमने.
कोई गाय का वो मतलब सुसु पी रहा है, कोई यहाँ पर कोरोना दूर करो.
Ramdev got hospitalized because he drank so much.
Bro, I swear to God, if aliens just look at India and be like, oh my God, these people are hardcore. These people are hardcore. They won't eat a cow, but they'll drink its piss.
Yeah, exactly. That's the beauty of India.
What I want to know.
India.
You know,
Incredible.
Kunal Kamra once said, right? इंडिया में इतना कंटेंट है, इतना कहाँ मिलेगा? वहाँ पर बाहर जाके लिखना पड़ता है. You have to think creatively. यहाँ पर कहाँ है?
Swear, India, he's right, bhai. India में इतना content है.
No,
bhai.
if you turn on your vlog camera and you just start walking on the street, you will find more content than a bloody LA vlogger trying to make up for an or something.
Dude, genuinely, I have an idea. I've had this since grade 8. I'm gonna just keep a hidden camera in my Pathways ka button, school ki t-shirt ka button. And I'm gonna upload it on YouTube. Everything I see in a day.
Oh, that's
You
that's
only
gonna
pathways
be.
then.
There'll be a lot of.
You'll only see rich Indians.
Dude, this kind of shit that goes down is gonna be so much fun.
It'll be half of it will be 50.
No, it's gonna be really great. Like, really.
That's what I was thinking. Alright, guys, let's
YouTube के लिए suitable नहीं होगा.
Guys,
पहले से
let's wrap it up.
Yeah, alright.
So guys, thanks for tuning into this podcast. We'll catch you
If anyone actually tunes
next
in,
whenever.
Yeah, any suggestions? Leave them down in the comments below. Like, share,
Next week.
subscribe.
Next
and we're
week.
friends.
Make sure to hit the bell icon.